Hello my fellow RC enthusiasts. In today's video, I'm gonna try to test my TRX4 Sport to trail, to climb, and to bash. Thanks for tuning in. First, we're gonna talk about this rig. It is a TRX4 kit that I bought from Pit Shop RC a couple of months ago, and it's a pure kit that you have to assemble parts by parts together with a very informative user manual with yourself. And I really enjoyed building this rig. A well-engineered gearings, and like many people says, it is built like a tank, and the quality of plastics are really durable and strong. What I have in this TRX4 is a custom weathered busted made cheap TEAMCPOWER wagon made by me, of course. Surpass Hobby 5-slot 10 turns revealable motor with 0 timing, 1080 ESC from Hobby Ring. Also I had a 2-speed transmission with Flax, a stock micro servo, a FlySky GT3B radio and its compatible receiver, and a Gens Ace 4300 mAh power Adventure series LiPo. In general trailing, as you can see here, it performs really well, and with the right setup of suspensions, I'm sure that it will perform way better. And I love stock DPS shocks. Right now I'm experimenting a mix and match of oils for the front and rear shocks using engine oils, and I did a series of tests by putting a drop of engine oil to a slanted flat surface, and my own criteria is whichever oil that goes down really quick, that will be the basis, and simple as that. My shocks setup has a simple NW40 engine oil on the front and a 30 weight silicone oil for the rear, and the rates of the springs are pretty bone stocks, but as you can see here, it's a way better than the included stock 30 weight oil. Now for the hill climbs. Oh, I forgot to mention that I have an 11 tooth pinion and a 45 tooth per gear for gearing. So far, crawls and climbs pretty dang smooth, and I really like the wheel articulation due to its shocks new mounting position. Speaking of wheels and tires, I'm still using the stock Canyon Trail tires and Injora alloy wheels. Now for the downhilling. Okay, nice slow control. Okay. Okay. And by the way, my 1080 AC setup is from the stock factory settings, except for the servo. I changed it from the stock 6 volt to 7 point something volts, I guess, because pig is packed by 3S LiPo anyway. Alright, let's try a different wood. Okay, nice and slow. Nice. Nice. Now it crossed the side slope portion. I hope no hands of God for these slippery loose rocks. There you go. Perfect. Nice. And for the downhill, same route. What I did with my Canyon Trail tires was I modified it by cutting the lugs like in the picture shown here. Now for this side, it is cool to see the moving panel on the side of the hood. Look, it flops around, and I'm so happy that I did it right as planned. Perfect. Alright, I'm impressed. Nice. And now for the game changer. Nice. Nice. Oh my god. Jesus. Impressive. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. See you on my next video. Have a good day and bye bye. Rock on.